नमस्कार, पळोवया अपडेट खबरो। विष्णून पयली भाजपा सोडची, मागीर उमेदवारीचेर निर्णय। उत्तर गोयची तिकेट काँग्रेसीक जाय, आमदारांनी आक्रमक जावचे, राणेचेर टिका कित्याक? खासा मुलाखतीन दिग्विजय सिंगाची विधाना। काणकोणचे बिल्डिंगेचे केशीन पालिकेचो निलंबित इंजिनियर अजय देसाय मडगाव कोर्टा मुखार शरण। 8 दिसांची पुलीस कादय, अजून 2 बिल्डर आणि 1 इंजिनियर फरारी। काणकोण बिल्डिंगेचे केशीन मंत्री पर्रीकाराकूय करचो आरोपी। रवीचो आर्ग्युमेंट, एनिमल हजबंड्रीतली नोकर भरती कायद्या भायर ना। रवी आता म्हणटा लोकसभेचे अजून थारावंक ना। तेलंगण विधेयक राज्यसभेतय पास। तेलंगण जातले भारताचे 29वे राज्य। बिल वतले राष्ट्रपतीकडेन। सीमांध्राक खासा पॅकेज दिवपाची प्रधानमंत्र्यान केली घोषणा। आणि वाळपयच्या नवोदय विद्यालयाची बिल्डिंग तेकल्या कोसळपाक ताकतिकेन सारकी करची। पालक पणजे बसले धरण्याक, शाळेन गोयची 3.5 भुरगीं। खबरो विस्तारान। विष्णून पयली भाजपा सोडची, मागीर ताचे उमेदवारीचेर चर्चा करून निर्णय घेतले, हे काँग्रेसीचे गोय प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंगान स्पष्ट केला। फकत प्रुडंटाक दिल्ले खासा मुलाखतीन दिग्विजय सिंगान हे स्पष्ट केले। उत्तर गोयची तिकेट काँग्रेसीक जाय। चडशा फुडाऱ्यांनी हे मत मांडला आणि आपणे हे मताक तेको दिला अशें तांणी सांगले। विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रताप सिंग राणेच्या मवाळ धोरणाविशीं विचारतकच बाकीच्या काँग्रेस आमदारांनी आक्रमक जावचे। फकत राणेचेर टिका कित्याक असो रोखठोक प्रश्न विचारून तांणी आपलेच आमदारांचेर बडी मारली।
Many of the MLAs are not happy with the functioning of Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. They say a leader of opposition needs to be more aggressive, more forthcoming and more interactive also.
You see, the MLAs themselves have to do some introspection. Instead of leaving everything to the leader of opposition, who is stopping them from attacking the BJP government themselves?
There is nothing wrong that John Fernandez has said till date. He said that there were some of our politicians, senior members were involved in different kinds of scams and illegalities and party will not support them if they are booked. Your senior leaders and those MLAs who have been defeated in last election are not very happy with this stance of the party. They want party to back them and still back them even if they were involved in this scam.
If there is a prima facie case against someone and there is a leader who has been charge sheeted, because the charge sheet is put up only if there is a prima facie case. So once a leader is charge sheeted, then of course there is no question of supporting him.
You believe Vishnu should quit BJP on this point?
That is his choice.
And you welcome him if he does that?
That is his choice.
If he does that, you welcome him?
We shall see.
You are open?
We shall see.
Because there have been strong talks that Vishnu might be your candidate from North Goa.
Let's see.
You are open. You are not saying that.
No, we shall cross the bridge when we come to it.
But you are open to crossing the bridge.
But let him first get out of BJP.
One issue on which your state leadership, as far as Pradesh Congress Committee is concerned and the CLP is concerned, and they are united on that issue. Fortunately, is that North Goa seat should be contested by Congress and it should not go to the NCP.
Well, that is the general mood.
What is your opinion about it?
My opinion is with the Congress workers.
So you believe that Congress should contest North Goa seat?
This is what the Congress people in Goa strongly feel.
What would you prefer, a candidate who is there in Congress right now or an important candidate like Vishnu?
You see, we will take a call once Mr. Vishnu Wag resigns from BJP.
एनिमल हजबंड्रीचे बेकायदेशीर नोकर भरती केशीन आपल्याक आरोपी केला जाल्यार काणकोण बिल्डिंगेचे केशीन बाकीचे अधिकाऱ्याबरोबर मंत्री म्हूण पर्रीकाराकूय आरोपी करचो असो रवी नायकाचो आर्ग्युमेंट। एसीबीन ताचेर घाल्ले एफआयआराचेर तो मिडिया कडेन उलयलो। लोकसभेची वेंचणूक लडोवपाचे अजून कांयच थारावंक ना अशें रवी आतां उलयता। बुधवारा विचारिल्ले तेन्ना म्हणटालो वेंचणूक लडोवंक इत्सूक ना। गोरवा सांबाळ खात्यांतल्या कर्मचारी भरती कडेन मंत्री म्हूण आपणालो कांयच संबंद ना। राजकी सूड घेवपा खातीर मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हे राजकारण खेळटा असो आरोप आदलो मंत्री रवी नायकान केला।
सगळे बहुजन समाज आणि गरीब भुरगे जे आसा ते सगळे डिपार्टमेंट करून ARD म्हणून डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते व्हेरीफाय करता खरेंच इतली गरज आहा काय मागीर फायनान्साक वयता फायनान्स सेक्रेटरी वयता तेच्या नंतर मुख्यमंत्र्याक एज अ फायनान्स मिनिस्टर वता आणि ती फायल निमाणी कॅबिनेट अप्रूव्ह जाता आणि कॅबिनेटाच्यान चीफ सेक्रेटरी तो माहिती परती फायल सकयल धाडून ती ऑर्डर परती डायरेक्टर ऑफ एनिमल हस्बंड्रीक वता म्हणजे तुम्ही जर हे करतले इन्क्वायरी करता जाल्यार हे सगळे लोकांची इन्क्वायरी करपाची आसा इन्क्लुडिंग कॅबिनेट आणि कॅबिनेट मंत्री आशिल्ले कारण सगळ्यांनी पास केल्ले आसा.
लोकसभा वेंचणुके खातीर काँग्रेसीचो उत्तर गोंयचो उमेदवार अजून थारूंक ना अशें लोकसभा वेंचणुके विशीं विचारले तेन्ना रवी नायकान सांगलें.
म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या ऑफिसरांचे तुम्ही इंजिनियरांचेर किंवा तुम्ही ते चीफ ऑफिसरांचे सगळ्यांची तुम्ही FIR केली काणकोणची आणि त्या बिल्डिंग पडलेचेर जाल्यार टाउन अँड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टराची FIR रजिस्टर केली.
तुमकां तिकेट दिलेली तुम्ही कॉन्टेस्ट करतले लोकसभा इलेक्शन
तेजे अजून आमी विचार करूं
पूण लोकांक जाय जाल्यार
ते मागीर पळोवया आमच्या.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर विवेक प्रभू. काणकोणचे कोसरिल्ले बिल्डिंगेचे केशीन पालिकेचो निलंबीत इंजिनियर अजय नाईक देसाय मडगांवच्या कोर्टामुखार सकाळी शरण आयलो. क्रायम ब्रांचीन ताका आनी दुसरो इंजिनियर अशांक नाईक गांवकाराक फरारी घोशीत केल्लो. अजयाक कोर्टान 8 दिसांची पुलीस कादे दिल्या. इंजिनियर अशांक गांवकार आनी परदीप बिरिंग आनी जगदीप सहगल दोगूय बिल्डर अजूनय फरारी आसात. तांचे लागींच्यांची चौकशी आनी मालमत्ता जप्त करपाची प्रक्रिया पुलिसांनी सुरू केल्या.
I have surrendered Ajay today because bail was refused by the district court as well as by the high court. We believe that the findings of the high court that the accused cannot be found to have committed an offence under 304 is plausible, and if they have questions to ask him, perhaps they would be under the Prevention of Corruption Act only. And that is I advised my client to surrender, and we shall move for bail a little later on so that they get sufficient time to find out whether we have been involved in the collapse of the building at all, because we were latecomers. We had not joined the municipality till July 2012. Not only that, the file pertaining to Ruby Construction, that is the building that has collapsed, came to our table only in 2013. By that time 3 years had passed and the building had been completed by then. Therefore, it appeared to the High Court that we may not be involved in the collapse of that building.
How many days remand?
8 days remand has been given by the court.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.